Hello, teacher.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I will talk about the 2026 Grammy Awards, an event that celebrated music as a bridge between cultures and generations. The ceremony took place on the 1st of February 2026 in Los Angeles, California, where influential artists from around the world gathered at the Crypto.com arena, transforming it into the epicenter of international music. Bad Bunny won Album of the Year with his groundbreaking work, marking a milestone for Latin music, while Billie Eilish captivated audiences with her Song of the Year, showcasing her lyrical mastery. Olivia Dean, a British vocalist, solidified her career as Best New Artist after a year of exceptional international success. Artists use their time on stage to convey powerful messages about equality and respect, highlighting the ceremony's commitment to cultural representation and diversity. The event reached 15 million live viewers, experienced a 300% increase in performance streams, and generated an estimated economic impact of $200 million for the music industry. The red carpet was a visual spectacle, showcasing elegant gowns and innovative outfits from prestigious fashion houses. The highlight of the night was Bad Bunny's performance, electrifying the crowd with a show that combined music, dance, and cutting-edge technology. These events honor the artistic talent that enriches our lives, reminding us that music transcends borders and connects people through shared emotions. Ultimately, the 2026 Grammys were not just an award ceremony, but a testament to the transformative power of art, proving once again that music is the most universal and powerful art form that exists.